Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 1 minute high ponytail. So let's get started. So this ponytail looks simple and make your look not good. So let's make a perfect ponytail. So first take out some hair from the front like this, and then take a section at the back like so. And then push out your hair little bit like so and secure it with bobby pin. So take all your hair back like so. And make a high ponytail. Tie your hair like this. Pull out your hair little bit. Now take a bobby pin and place it right here like this. Then take a section from the ponytail and wrap it around rubber band. Secure it with bobby pin. And yeah, it's done. Now you can see ponytail. So this method helps you make the ponytail high and voluminous. Yay! Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye! You can also follow me on Instagram.